Hi. This is John. And he is the most hardworking staff in the office. But he has a problem at work. He has difficulty cutting out checks. And he is stressed managing the office payments. His supplier frequently calls him. They complained about the payee name misspelled on the check. The banks rejected his checks. Often, it is the amount in words don't tally with the ones in numeric number. Oh no, his ugly and illegible handwriting didn't help. In fact, it tarnished his company's professional image. He spent lots of time doing tedious manual work, tracking payment transactions, generating reports, and working out company's cash flow. On top of that, his boss is always after him for mistakes and report errors that he made. Those work bogged him down, making him very stressed and is always drained out. One day, a friend introduced him to OCI check writing system. Using that simple system at work changed his life completely.
Wow!
Now he does everything with the system. This is how he cut check. Simply enter the payee's name here, and the system will issue a new payment voucher number automatically. Enter the payment details, and you are ready to print out the check. Oh yes, the system also runs the check number automatically. Click here to print. Insert a fresh check into the printer. And every single detail on the check get printed out. Without additional entry, he prints out payment voucher like this. Select the voucher to print, and immediately, he gets a preview on the right. To get a printout, he simply hit the print button.
Woo!
The system can also record payment from customers. This is how he enters them. Enter the check details here. Select the customer's name who have made the payment. Give a description for the purpose of payment. And click here to save.
Yes!
It is easy and straightforward to use. To issue a payment, he simply clicks on New and makes the entries. Alternatively, if it is a recurring one, he can search from the previous payments. Click on Duplicate. The system makes a copy with a new date, voucher and check number. Otherwise, he can choose to import Excel data directly into the system. Without additional work, now he manages the bank status report under his fingertip. Simply click on the bank status module. Click Refresh to load the data. Select the report and click Print. Here, he gets a preview of his bank status. He can choose to have a hard copy printout, or export it to a PDF or Excel file. This is what he loves most. He is able to drill down to check on those transactions. The payment voucher module pops up, showing him the exact voucher of the payment. To check on his $980 receipt, he does the same. In this case, the receipt module pops up, displaying the details of the $980 receipt. On top of that, he has lots of other reports to help him. Even missing check numbers can be tracked. Click on Transaction Report. And he can clearly search or see all the transactions records with the respective suppliers and customers. Click on Account Report. With this report, he can filter or look at all the transactions by account codes. Click on Check Status. Here, he gets a report listed by check numbers. We can clearly see that check number 8 is not used or missing. And he is able to reconcile the bank accounts within minutes in 3 steps. First, he simply selects the month for the reconciliation. Second, he enters the balance amount appearing on the bank statement. Third, he matches and ticks on the presented transactions. Once it is reconciled, the difference will be 0. Finally, he gets a bank reconciliation report and a click. This system is using Microsoft SQL Server Compact Database. You will be glad to know that, when your company grows, you can upsize the database to a full server version to serve future needs.